Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. I understand that earning money online by simply watching videos from the comfort of our homes may sound like an unrealistic dream. People often dismiss it, suggesting that we should pursue more traditional career paths. However, I have exciting news for you. Today, I'll introduce you to brand new apps and websites that can make this dream a reality. You'll be able to effortlessly earn hundreds of dollars while enjoying the convenience of working from home. The sign-up process is straightforward and completely free. You can receive daily payments directly into your PayPal account. In this video, I'll reveal how you can generate over $500 with this incredible income stream. The best part is that anyone can establish this income stream without creating personal videos, building a social media following, or maintaining a social media profile. As with all the methods I share on this channel, this one is also 100% free. There's no need to invest any money or make any deposits. Furthermore, this method is applicable worldwide, eliminating the hassle of setting up a VPN or dealing with location restrictions. Throughout this video, I'll provide you with a comprehensive, step-by-step tutorial on setting up this income stream. Pay close attention to every second because I'll reveal secret tips and tricks that can potentially double or even triple your online income. Alright folks, in today's video, I'll be counting down the top free apps or websites that allow you to earn money online simply by watching videos from the comfort of your home. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the countdown. Taking the third spot on our list is Creations Rewards. To access this website, simply click on the address bar and type in Creation Rewards. What sets this website apart is that you can actually get paid for doing something many of you already do regularly online, watching videos. In fact, at this very moment, you're watching a YouTube video on my channel. Since you already spend so much time doing it, why not start earning money while you're at it? Sounds great, doesn't it? If you scroll down a bit, you'll find that watching videos isn't the only way to earn money on this website. There are multiple income streams available, including taking daily surveys, shopping online, watching videos, exploring websites, and trying out offers, and much more. This website offers a wide range of options, allowing you to choose different methods to earn money. If you ever feel bored or exhausted from doing the same method repeatedly, you can easily switch to another method and continue earning money without burning out. It's a versatile platform that caters to various interests. One noteworthy aspect of this website is its longevity. It has been operating since 2000, which spans over 23 years. This solid track record indicates that it's a legitimate platform. If it were a scam, it would have likely shut down within the first year of operation. So you can rest assured that this website is trustworthy. Redeeming your points on this website is a straightforward process, and you can cash out your earnings via PayPal. I know many of you prefer the convenience of PayPal. Now let's delve into the sign-up details for this website. If you navigate to the top of the website, you'll find a sign-up section on the right side of the webpage. Simply fill in the required details, and you're good to go. You might be wondering why this amazing website is placed at number 3 on our list. I completely agree with you. It's an incredible platform. However, there's a catch. This website is exclusively available to users from the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, and Australia. So if your country is not included in the list, you can explore other options. Moving on to the second spot on our list, we have a website called CashKick. To visit this website, simply click on your address bar and type in www.cashkick.com. CashKick is another excellent platform that directly pays you in cold, hard cash to your PayPal account. There's no need to collect points or gift cards. Cash is the ultimate reward. Similar to the previous website, CashKick provides various options for earning money. You can answer surveys, find great deals, watch videos, and surf the web. While our focus in this video is on earning money by watching videos, if you want to maximize your earnings, you can also earn money by searching the web using their browser. It's something most people do every day anyway, so why not get paid for it? By simply searching the web, you can earn money through CashKick. To get started, go back to the top of the website and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, you can begin earning money with CashKick. Now let's move on to the top-ranked platform on our list, Coinbase. To visit this website, simply click on your address bar and typing in www.coinbase.com. On Coinbase, you have the opportunity to earn nearly $400 per hour by simply watching videos. Although Coinbase is primarily known as a platform for trading and buying/selling cryptocurrency, our focus here is on making money through video watching. To get started, click on the Individuals button and select Turn Crypto button, which will redirect you to a page where you can access a variety of free courses. By watching these videos, you not only gain knowledge from the courses but also earn money in the process. For instance, if you open this particular course, it states that it is a 1-minute video that will earn you $1. On average, the rate on this website is $1 per minute, so for a 2-minute video, you would receive $2. This method is straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, simply click on the Get Started button located at the top of the website. As a bonus, I'll now share an additional website that can help you earn even more money online. But before we continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money online. Our goal is to assist you in generating a consistent stream of online income directly into your PayPal account. The bonus website I want to share with you today is Quick Rewards. To access this website, simply click on your address bar and type in www.quickerwords.net. Apart from earning money by watching videos, you can also play games and make additional money online. What makes this website special is that there is no minimum withdrawal limit. As soon as you start watching videos, you can immediately cash out and use the money for whatever you desire. For other offers, the minimum redemption amount is just 1 cent, which is incredibly easy to achieve. Unlike some websites that require reaching $100 or $200 to cash out, Quick Rewards allows you to cash out directly to your PayPal account without any minimum requirement. And the best part is, it's completely free. You can choose to make money by playing games or watching videos. So now I've shared all the best websites for earning money online by simply watching videos. All you have to do is put in the hard work and start earning money directly into your PayPal account. That concludes the video. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for updates on new content. Don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is the Top Foreign Channel.